Hello, it's Coach Lakeisha Kenya with HowIQuitNursing.com. I am actually out taking a 350-mile trip to Augusta, Georgia, where I will be just really taking some time out. I will be building a network. I am about to relaunch my business. I am taking myself around the U.S. basically with my business, and I will be going global very soon. I will be going to Jamaica and just a couple other places, Hawaii, and I am going to build a global business. I'm ready to relaunch my business and really take it to a whole nother level. So if you want more information about what I'm doing, how I'm doing, what I'm doing, check out my video at HowIQuitNursing.com, and there you will see what it is I'm doing. And I'm in the business to create leaders. So if you're not making what you're worth, it's time to get off the fence. It's time to take control of your reality. It's time to get paid what you're worth. Okay? With that being said, this is your girl, Coach Lakeisha Kenya. Lock arms with me. Today, you could see at 8 p.m., there is a live webinar of Winning Women that you could take a look at, and that website is www.getfreedomwithme. www.getfreedomwithme.com. So check that out. Partner with your girl, Coach Lakeisha Kenya, and I'll see you on the inside. Until the next video, time to drive.